If you're looking at the managed solution, with a managed solution, what you want to ask is, what's their response time? How quick are they going to get back to you? How fast are they going to provide you resolution for your issues? Reason being is, just remember, in EDI, time means everything. So if you have orders that are being shipped and an ASN or an 856, however you want to call it, needs to get to a certain facility, whether it be a DC or direct to store or whatever it may be, they're going to require you to have that ASN or 856 to them 24 to 48 hours before the shipment arrives, usually. So what does that mean? If you're in California and you're shipping product to Southern California, well, you have a limited window in which you need to get that 856 to that prospective EDI trading partner. And that 856 or ASN, just to give you a little brief knowledge on that, that's basically on a ship notice. So it's telling them what you are shipping to them so that their warehouse can prepare for that product to come in. So if your managed solution is not getting back to you, they tell you, listen, we send you an automated ticket, we put you into this automated ticket system, we're going to get back to you in 8 to 24 hours. Well, guess what? You're falling short on that promise that you've made to that EDI trading partner, getting back to them and getting documents to them in a timely manner. So that opens you up for chargebacks. So if you're going to do your research and you're going to look into and you're going to say, you know what, I want to look for a managed solution, look for managed solutions that give you a faster response time for handling those type of issues so that you're not getting chargebacks, because you're going to find any of those contracts, they're not going to uphold a chargeback. So if you get a chargeback from a trading partner, they're not going to be paying for it, even though they're your managed solution provider. They're most likely going to say to you, because in their contract, it is your responsibility. Well, that's where you got to do that little heads up, give yourself a little understanding as to what a managed solution means, how they handle that managed solution. Are they acting as an entity for you as your partner?